Instructions. These are what we got from our stocking stuffers. This one's my sister's, this one's mine. Before we start opening, we want to show you something. Ta-da! Ta-da!
It's too cool.
This one is a unicorn. Yeah. And this one is a dog mermaid. And that one is a mermaid and a dog.
And a cat.
This is the unicorn and a cat. This is the unicorn and a mermaid. Stop talking. Okay. And then now, let's get started. Let's get started. So first we'll open mine. But I'll watch my sister. Well, we'll start opening our thing. So, Sarah, would you like to start us off? Yeah. Okay. I'll open a little tap for you, okay? As you can see. Yeah. They're all wrinkly for mine. Muscles. You need help? No. What? You need help opening it? Yeah. This is the. There's frozen hard candy. And there's frozen stickers. The pink one's for Anna and the blue one's for Elsa. That's Anna's and this one's Elsa's. There's a lot of candy. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, now it's my turn.
Let's see how much candy are together in one ball.
Excuse me. Now it's my turn. Open mine. Now it's my turn to open mine. I'm opening it the same way as Sarah. Where was I? Isn't that easy, huh? I want to see which candy did he got. Wow. This is Elsa's lollipop. Anna's lollipop. Elsa and Anna hard candy. And just stickers.